In this video, we will discuss about the types of fixed deposit as well as if you are going to open your fixed deposit account in your particular bank, then it will be very helpful because we will discuss in this the advantages and the disadvantages that you should know. So let's go one by one. First, types of fixed deposit. Standard term deposit. People often open this account as a fixed deposit. Standard fixed deposits are investment scheme wherein you invest an amount for a fixed period and a predetermined interest rate. The period of investment or the tenure can range from 7 up to 10 years. Senior citizens fixed deposit. For individuals over 60 years of age, banks and NBFCs offer a higher interest rate on FD than other investors, usually providing about 25 to 50 basis points, means 0.25 or 0.50 more. The tax saving fixed deposit. There are specific tax saving FD that are eligible for tax deduction. A tax saving FD has a maturity period of 5 years and the principal amount up to 1,50,000 per annum, or it can be above, is tax deductible under section 80C of the Indian Income Tax Act. But you can also check the Income Tax Act according to your country on the Google. Okay, let's go the another slide. And fixed deposit for non-resident Indian. As you know this name, if you are not from India, if you are outside from India, so non-resident Indian citizen can invest in non-resident external or non-resident ordinary fixed deposit. These are suitable for the citizens earning in a foreign currency. Okay, earning in a foreign currency. Although there are currency fluctuations, the most significant advantage of NRE FD is the whole amount, principal and interest rate are tax free. And this is a very good point of this fixed deposit. So the another one, corporate fixed deposits. Some companies or corporate entities also offer fixed deposits. While they offer a higher rate of interest than banks and NBFC, the risk associated with corporate FD is higher. But while bank and NBFC deposits enjoy banking and insurance coverage from the DICGC, corporate fixed deposit so do not provide this insurance. Corporate fixed deposit do not provide this insurance. So this is now the important part of this video. The advantages of fixed deposits are: first, it is a safe investment. Returns from stock, mutual funds and other debt fund depend on the market, unlike those from FD, making FD is much safer investment than stock, mutual funds, etc. And the second one, fixed deposit tenure. Some FD schemes comes with minimum tenure of first year and maximum of 5 years. This ensures that we safeguard our money and gain reasonable returns on it. And the third one is loan against FD. When you are in a cash crunch, rather than breaking your FD and incurring a penalty, you can simply take a loan against your FD. You can get loan amount up to 75% of the total FD value. Okay, this is the advantages of your fixed deposit if you are going to do this thing. And the fourth one is flexible interest rate payouts. FD allow you to select the term, and when the interest is credited to your FD account, you can choose between the annual, monthly or at maturity FD. There will be so many instructions given by the particular application when you open the FD account. Go to the website or go to your branch, nearby branch, or go to your official application of particular bank. Okay, So the another one is low returns. While FD returns are guaranteed, but they are low as compared to the other short-term market linked investment, stock market trading or anything else. Liquidity withdrawing your FD before the date of maturity leads to a penalty charge. You may also get a lower interest on the total investment when you break your FD. So remember this before breaking your FD. But I suggest you don't break your FD at any how, okay? At any rate, you just need to that fixed there, okay? And the tax return interest earned through your FD falls under the taxable slab of your income. If your interest earned is higher than 10,000, it will be deducted as a TDS at the rate of your 10% for senior citizens. So thank you very much for watching our video.